In other news, the MTRCB is making a closer and stricter monitoring of movie and television shows. This with the launch of its latest facility dubbed Prebyuhan ni Juan at Juana. This report by Ara Perez.
Since the start of Aquino's term in 2010, several reforms have been planned, including to that of the MTRCB or Television Review and Classification Board. MTRCB advocates the wise viewing ethics of Juan de la Cruz. If before, some scenes that are not suitable for a particular audience are still being played, now MTRCB does a close and strict monitoring of movies and television shows. Made possible through MTRCB's latest facility, dubbed as Prebyuhan ni Juan at Juana.
Iko-complement pa po namin ito sa pag-ikot-ikot sa iba't ibang sulok ng ating bansa upang i-empower po yung ating mga pamilya to know yung know and understand and discern the entertainment that they see and watch, na maging value-based ito.
This aims for the global competitiveness of the movie and television industry through digital technology. Meanwhile, to have a wider audience reach, the MTRCB will also launch its own Android application.
Kasama rin po namin ang academe para maaga pa lang po na tinuturuan na natin yung mga masscom students at yung mga information. Kasi magsisynergize na yan yung IT at yung mass communications na yan, habang bata po, tapos papasok na natin po dyan yung value-based na approach towards media and entertainment.
The MTRCB urged the Filipinos to be more keen and observant, may it be in films or in television shows.
Campaign till the grassroots level.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.